Wasting money on paid AI video generators? Yeah, let's stop doing that. I made this crazy clip completely free right inside a browser tab you probably have open right now. No fees, no limits. Ready to steal my work, bro? Alright, let's open up our browser and head over to this clean, free interface. But before we write a single word, here's a quick heads up. To download these videos with absolutely zero watermarks, there's a specific browser trick you need to use. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that at the end of this video. So make sure you watch until the very end because you don't want to miss this workaround. By the way, I've left the direct links to everything we're using in the description below, so you can follow along easily. Now, to start, we're going to type our prompt right here. We're taking the text to video route, but if you're chasing top tier quality, I highly recommend using image to video instead. Today, we're giving it a playful test drive with this prompt. A cute puppy is driving a futuristic F1 car in New York City. While that renders, if you're getting value from this video, do me a quick favor, smash that like button and drop a comment saying FLA down below. Alright, our video is done and look at that puppy go. The quality is crazy, but if we download it directly, it slaps us with a watermark. Now, as promised, here is the exact workaround to get this video without that watermark. Simply press F12 on your PC or right click and select Inspect. In your browser's Inspect tool, grab the element selector icon at the top left, click directly on your video and look at the code. Double click that source link, copy it and paste it into a brand new tab. From there, just click the three dots, hit download and you've got a pristine watermark free masterpiece. Oh, and if you ever want to find your previous creations, just click on the Create tab to view your history. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. What is this secret platform we've been using? It's actually Meta AI, and you can access it completely free right now. If you loved this workaround, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.